Alright guys, this is the Quorum Jellyfish. This one isn't really on YouTube too well, but yeah, as usual I'm going to be demonstrating. Here's the light. That is if it wants to work. Oh. I just hit the button on low speed. I think I'm also demonstrating the kitty hawk as well, but slow. So the light does not work on this, unfortunately, which is no big deal. This is medium. I love this fan. It's one of my favorites. This thing's quite wobbly. I don't know why. Here's high. Oh, I'm also controlling the Stratojet. So this is high speed on the Jellyfish. It is not that fast due to the curvature of the blades and it all, but netherless, really, really nice. Always wanted to demo one of these bad boys. And that'll be it. I'm gonna be showing the Stratojet next, I guess.